What's up, everybody? This is the shooting review of the Gold Arrows spring pump shotgun. We'll be shooting from about 25 feet, maybe 30. Alright. Alright, let's look at the grouping. Pretty decent grouping right here. A couple shots didn't go through here. One here, because I patched the hole with duct tape. I had one, two shot. Well, no, I'm not gonna count that one as off. That one was a little crappy though. I think I had a couple before I adjusted my hop up to get this grouping. But those couple are gone now. So my hop up adjusted right. So about a 4-inch diameter circle area right here that I mainly hit in. My hop up's a little high, but big deal. I can adjust it later. Alright, that's all. See ya.